children, good morning. I am going to talking about chemical property of metals in class Earth Science Material Chemical property of metals chemical properties of metals. First is nature of oxides. Oxides of metal. Nature of oxides of metals. We are looking here that some metals are highly reactive to the oxygen and forms metallic oxide, and these metallic oxide react with water which forms metallic hydroxide, and metallic hydroxide react with acid which form salt and water. Now see here that sodium react with oxygen the product will be सोडियम ऑक्साइड. बैलेंस करने के लिए हम देखेंगे here is the molecule of sodium is 1, here is atom of sodium is 2. This equation is not balance equation. We want to balance this equation. Here will be 4 mole of sodium and here will be 2 mole of sodium oxide. This will be the balance equation. Now sodium oxide react with water which form sodium hydroxide, and sodium hydroxide react with HCl hydrochloricum which form salt and water. The first example है nature of oxides of metals. Second इसका है potassium. Now we will see here potassium react with oxygen which forms potassium oxide. Now we balance like the above equation. Here will be 4 and here will be potassium oxide. Mole of the potassium oxide will be 2 mole. Now see here that potassium oxide react with water which form the potassium hydroxide, and potassium hydroxide react with acid which form potassium chloride and H2O. Like this way, you can also react with calcium. Calcium react with oxygen, which forms calcium oxide. Here will be 2 mole, and calcium oxide react with water, which forms calcium hydroxide. And calcium hydroxide react with hydrochloricum. Product will be calcium chloride plus 2H2O. Now you are looking here that some metals such as sodium, potassium and calcium react with oxygen, which forms sodium oxide, metallic oxide, and this metallic oxide react with water, which forms sodium hydroxide, and sodium hydroxide react with HCl, which will make sodium chloride and water. Like this way, you can explain giving 2 examples. These metals are the fast reactive metals. Now come to the other metals. Which oxides will be formed with heat, such as zinc, aluminum, copper, zinc, lead. Aluminum, copper, zinc and lead. जब heat, when we heat the reactants, then it will form metallic oxide. Looking here at aluminum react with oxygen, will form aluminum oxide. The balance equation. This is the balance equation. Symbol of heat is the triangle shape. अगर बना दे रहा है तो it is the symbol of heat. It is the symbol of heat. Now aluminum oxide react with water, which will form aluminum hydroxide. Aluminum hydroxide. And the aluminum hydroxide react with HCl, which forms aluminum chloride and H2O. But here heat will be necessary to do this reaction. Likewise, you can also react with copper, zinc and lead, you will find such products. Nature of oxides of metals, we can see here that other example is the such as iron react with oxygen plus CxCS2, which will form Fe2O3 iron oxide into ExCS2 आयरन ऑक्साइड, जिसको रस्ट कहते हैं, आयरन ऑक्साइड react with HCl, it will form ferric chloride, यहाँ पर मोल ले लेते हैं 6, क्योंकि here is the 2 3 the 6, here mole is the 6 1 the 6, so here will be 3H2O plus ExCS2. रेडिश ब्राउन इन कलर जो है ग्रीन हो जाएगा. This will form reddish in brown. Now come to the next property. Reaction of metal with water. Reaction of metal with water. So reaction of metal with water, potassium react with water, which will form potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Due to formation of hydrogen gas, sound will be occurs above the testing tube, because hydrogen is highly reactive, highly जो है flammable होता है. Like this way, hydrogen gas, when hydrogen gas releases from the test tube, sound will be pop. Like this way, you can also react with others metal way, like this way, such as sodium, calcium, magnesium, zinc, ammonium, iron, you can also form chemical equations by the example of this. We are looking here the copper, nickel, mercury, gold and platinum etc. do not react with water. You should be learn in your mind that copper, nickel, mercury, gold and platinum do not react with water. Now, other property of metal, here will be reaction of metal with reaction of metal with mineral acid. Now come to the first point, that is the rate of reaction almost explosive. Rate of reaction almost explosive. Example here, sodium, potassium and calcium. When sodium react with dilute HCl, it will form salt plus S2 gas. S2 gas is highly inflammable gas. Now can write chemical equation of potassium and HCl, which will form potassium chloride, that is salt, and hydrogen gas. And calcium is also react with HCl, which forms calcium chloride plus H2 gas. This reaction is highly explosive. You should take attention in your laboratory of doing this experiment. Sodium, potassium and calcium with mineral acid. Now, second point is the rate of reaction. Rate of reaction is vigorous. Is magnesium and aluminum. When magnesium react with mineral acid, it will form magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Ammonium chloride plus hydrogen gas. We have 6 mole HCl and 2 mole ammonium. Here 3 mole. Here will be 3 mole hydrogen gas. stannous and lead. Rate of reaction is very slow with rate of reaction. Rate of reaction is very slow with stannous and antimony, stannous and lead. Now we are looking here that some metals do not react with dilute mineral acid such as copper, mercury, silver, platinum, do not react with mineral acid. Now, next property is the metal reaction of metal with alkalis. Reaction of metal with alkalis. Such as zinc react with NaOH, sodium zincate, Na2ZnO2, sodium zincate plus hydrogen gas. The displacement reaction occur in metals. Displacement reaction. Displacement, we are looking here, some metals are highly rate of chemical reaction, have high rate of chemical reaction, such as when copper sulfate react with iron, then it displaces copper. Copper will be displaced by iron. Here product will be iron sulfate or plus copper. This reaction is known as displacement reaction. Now we are looking here that several types of chemical reactions occurs in metals, and these are the chemical properties of metals. Next points we will teach in next videos. Thanks.